Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the only source, Evelyn. You need to build consistent friendship. You do that by talking each day, giving liked or loved items, and completing small tasks. Once you reach the required heart threshold, Evelyn's dialogue and events change, opening the possibility of receiving special recipe items or ready-made foods. Make sure to track her calendar events and to deliver gifts on birthdays and during festivals. These interactions accelerate the process and trigger the necessary event windows. Now, escalate friendship efficiently. Prioritize giving 2 loved gifts per week. You'll get the biggest point gains from those. Once done, attend her birthday with a loved item for a major spike. That often unlocks later heart events more quickly. Make sure to trigger all available cutscenes. Heart events are required to progress her unique rewards. Between gifts, speak daily, and complete any small quests she posts on the board. This steady attention is why the special gift appears. Finally, after triggering the final required heart event, check Evelyn's outgoing mail and the event rewards. You should receive the chocolate cake then. If nothing appears, make sure you actually reached the correct heart threshold and completed the preceding events in order. Sometimes a missed scene blocks the reward. As a safeguard, save before important cutscenes and reload if timing or dialogue choices interrupted the sequence. If problems persist, rerun the required events by replaying earlier days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.